Most manufacturing operations don't fail because SOPs are missing. They fail because they aren't enforced. Manual approvals, scattered checklists, endless follow-ups. That's where gaps appear and mistakes slip in. One global manufacturer faced it all: deviations, audit pressure, and reliance on human oversight. So they introduced FlowAgent by Bizmetric, turning static SOPs into AI-enforced workflows. Here's the impact: 92% fewer deviation, 70% less manual oversight, and 85% faster audit readiness. Now every step is validated, every task intelligently sequenced, and every decision fully traceable, built natively on Databricks. Because in safety-critical operations, automation isn't enough. Execution must be enforced. Let's build that certainty. Email us at marketing@bizmetric.com, follow us on LinkedIn, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Bizmetric Official. FlowAgent, turning workflows into guaranteed outcomes.